My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture. Today we'll continue exercise 3.3, chapter 3, variation in class 10 science. Right? And inshallah ta'ala, I will explain the questions of this exercise. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button as well. I am doing the questions which were appeared as the long questions in the past papers. So question number 3, part 4 I am doing with you now. Exercise 3.3, question number 3, part 4. Find the mean proportion. Find the mean proportion find the mean proportion between x square minus y square comma x minus y x plus y. Okay, so let's start our solution. Right, let m is the mean proportion. Mean proportion, okay? Then right, the proportionality is x square minus y square m and x minus y over x plus y. Right? So now we know the property of proportion, which is the product of mean equals to product of extreme. Right? So means that m times m equals to x square minus y square times x minus y over x plus y. So we have m square equals to, okay, factorize this x square minus y square as x plus y times x minus y. And the second factor is x minus y over x plus y. So now we can see that this factor is cancelled with this factor, and we have m square equals to x minus y times x minus y. Means that m square equals to x minus y square. Now just taking the square root, we have square root m square root equals to x minus y square, the square root. So this is plus minus sign. So m equals to plus minus x minus y, which is our required answer. Right, I hope you understand it well. I'll move further and I'll do the next question, question number 4. Right, please do all these questions at least 2 times so that you understand all of them very well. And there is a must long question from this exercise. Find the value of P. I'll do this question 4, question number part 2. Question number 4, part 2. Find the value of x if yes 8x18 8 x and 18, right? This is number 2, yes. X8, sorry, 8x and 18 are in continued proportion. Proportion, right? So our solution is if these 8x and 18 are in continued proportion, then what happened? 8x proportion x to 18 will be same. Okay. So now using the property of proportion, so we have product of mean equals to product of extreme. Right? It means that x times x equals to 8 times x 18, right? And it means that x square equals to 144. Just taking the square root, we have x square root equals to 144 root with plus minus sign. So means x is equal to plus minus 12, which is our required answer. Right. So my dear students, I will do question number 4, part 3 now. Okay. The same question, part 3. Right. The question is find P if these values 12, 3p minus 6, comma 27 are in continued proportion. Right, the solution is if these three are in continued proportion, then 12, 3p minus 6, 3p minus 6, 27, they are in proportion. So mean using the property of proportion, product of mean equals to product of extreme. Right? So it means that 3p minus 6 times 3p minus 6 equals to 12 times 27, means 3p minus 6 the square equals to 12 into 27 is 324. Taking square root, 3p minus 6 square root equals to 324 root, means this plus minus, okay? So 3p minus 6 equals to plus minus 18. Just taking either 3p minus 6 equals to plus 18, means 3p minus 6 equals to, 3p equals 6 plus 18, 3p equals to 24, or p equals to 24 over 3 equals to 6 or 8. So this is one value. So then for the next value, we have or 3p minus 6 equals to minus 18, means 3p equals to minus 18 plus 6, means 3p equals to 12 with minus sign, and p equals to minus 12 over 3 equals to minus 4, which is the answer. So we have 8 and minus 4 as the value of p. We have two values. So I'll do one more question for this exercise and then we'll leave. Right, the last part, part number 4, right, of exercise 3.3, right? Part 4, find the value of m. Find m find m, right, so that 7 m minus 3 and 28 are in proportion. Are in proportion. So solution, right, if these are in continued proportion, then 7 m minus 3, m minus 3 and 28 are in continued proportion. They are in proportion. So using the property of proportion, so we have product of mean equals to product of extreme. So we have m minus 3 times m minus 3 m minus 3 equals to 7 times 28. So means m minus 3 the square equals to 7 into 28. So 7 times 28 equals to 196. So m minus 3 square equals to 196 taking square root, okay? So square root, we have m minus 3 square and square root equals to 196 square root with plus minus sign. M minus 3 equals to plus minus 14. So we have either m minus 3 equals to 14 means m minus 3 m equals to 3 plus 14 or m equals to 17, right? Or we have m minus 3 equals to minus 14 means m equals to minus 14 plus 3. So we have m equals to minus 11. So we have m is equal to 17 and minus 11 as our answer. Right. So thank you very much. This concludes our lesson. And if you have some doubts in your mind or you have some suggestions, you may contact on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of the video. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel and tell the others to subscribe this channel as well. So thank you very much. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर हो.